South Korea is going to massively scale up its vaccination campaign from next month, aiming to vaccinate nearly 10 million people by the end of June. Kyung-eun reports.
South Korea's vaccination campaign will pick up pace in the second quarter of 2021 with a sizable expansion of the priority groups. Top of the list are the elderly.
From April, we will start inoculating regular citizens, separate from workers and patients in nursing hospitals or facilities. It'll start with those aged 65 and older, with the oldest being prioritized.
There are about 8.5 million people in the over 65 age group in South Korea. Those over 75 said to be first in line are about 3.6 million in total. Also included in the second quarter are some 380,000 medical staff working in dental and oriental hospitals and pharmacies. On top of that, there are another 900,000 workers and residents in care centers for disabled people and in-home care facilities for the elderly. Some new additions are expected as well. First, flight attendants. It is seen as a precautionary measure to prevent new variants from entering the country through flight attendants who are exempt from South Korea's mandatory 2-week self-quarantine. Teachers are also likely to be on the second quarter list, as the Prime Minister previously hinted, considering schools recently reopened for the spring semester.
First, the government will start inoculating nurses and teachers at special schools for disabled children. We'll make sure other teachers subsequently get shots depending on the available vaccine supply.
The expansion of the priority list comes after the government said it aims to have administered 12 million vaccinations by the end of the second quarter. Given the country is targeting about 1.1 million jabs for the first quarter, there will be over 10 million people getting shots in the second quarter alone. The detailed guidelines will be announced at 2 p.m. Korea time. Kyung-eun, Arirang News.